Are you ready to discover how you can generate high-impact sales scripts for your sales videos, explainer videos, social ads, and even sales presentations by simply swiping done-for-you templates and filling in the blanks? And yes, you will be able to sell any product or service for any niche, and plus, all the templates are already done for you, so you don't need any sales script making experience at all. And I even want to show you a case study on how you can charge as much as $500 per gig on Fiverr and $500 per hour on Upwork for sales script writing services. Hi, it's Robert, and today I'm going to share with you a brand new software called Scriptdio, which our development team has been working on for the past 9 months. It is solving the biggest problem every business, entrepreneur, and marketer has, which is having a compelling sales copy which actually sells products and services. For 3 decades, we've been building businesses and selling innovative products. For 2 decades, we've been developing and releasing some of the highest, most sought-after marketing automation tools in the market. We release products and software that continue to help to automate and grow your online business to make you more money. And through those decades, there has been one thing we recognize as the main factor that can make or break your business: the sales script. While products must be good and useful, it takes a sales script to make them successful. Without explaining the value and the benefits of the products and why they are better than the competition, very few people will buy, so such products most likely will fail. I've just seen so many amazing products fail because of a bad sales script, and it's clear that without a compelling sales script, all the time and the effort and the money invested in the product is wasted. Traditionally, while creating a sales copy, really you've only had 2 options. You write the sales copy yourself, or you hire a copywriter. Learning to write a compelling sales copy is a very difficult and long-term process which can take you years to master and can cost you a lot of money on copywriting courses. And even then, just writing for yourself is just not good enough. You need to put the sales copy in front of potential buyers over and over again until you finally get it right. And it really takes a lot to become a great copywriter. If you don't want to spend time, energy, and money to learn copywriting, the only other option that can be used is hiring a professional copywriter. And the problem with that is that it's not only very expensive, with prices like $5,000 for a single sales script, with 50% often paid up front, but nobody knows your product better than you, right? And it means that it can take you weeks of communicating back and forth before a copywriter is even close to understanding your specific product. And even then, the sales script may fail to deliver results because something was, misunderstood or missed in communication. And then there's this little thing called writer's block. Your mind can go completely blank for days. Hello? Is there anybody in there? It does not have to be that way anymore, and that is why today I am extremely excited to announce that you no longer have the only 2 traditional options to have your sales copy done and done effectively. From today, I give you the 3rd option: Scriptdio software. Scriptdio is a new, first-of-its-kind, groundbreaking app which allows you to generate full-length sales scripts by simply swiping done-for-you templates and filling in the blanks. Here's how easy Scriptdio is to use. Step 1, choose the kind of sales script you want to create. Step 2, Scriptdio will walk you through a series of screens where you simply fill in the blanks with information, like the product's name and the product's prices and the benefits and so on. And the things you need to fill in are just so simple that anybody can do it. Step number 3, you click a button, voila, you have just produced a complete sales script which is ready for you to preview and download. And that's it. It's those 3 steps that will have you generating your next compelling sales script in minutes. All right, so before we jump in any further, I want to tell you a little bit more about Scriptdio. Over the years, the people behind Explaindio developed from scratch several 7-figure businesses, from retail brick and mortar stores to physical products wholesaler to internet service provider to online business selling information products in many niches. And I have to look at Software businesses with online-only sales and online shopping carts, an affiliate platform hosting many independent online vendors selling all kinds of products. And through all those experiences, what has become evident is the massive impact the sales script has on the success or the failure of the product. Therefore, Scriptdio has been a very important project for quite some time, using absolute precision in creating templates and frameworks that are up to the highest standard for effective conversion of visitors to buyers. We have implemented proven copywriting formulas inspired by the greatest known copywriters, and you'll find these formulas in the Scriptdio frameworks, the same ones that have been working great for the people behind Scriptdio over the years. These same formulas even helped make a sales presentation which resulted in a sale of at least one business to a public company listed on the stock exchange. So it doesn't matter what your business is selling with sales copies generated by Scriptdio. It can work for all and any businesses and products, no matter the market niche. It doesn't matter if you're selling services or if you're selling products. It doesn't matter if you're selling digital or physical products. And it doesn't matter if you're giving away something for free to generate more leads. It doesn't even matter if you're just selling an idea or a concept. If you want people to take action, Scriptdio is the software for you. Hey, Scriptdio is a cloud-based tool. And that means that you don't have to install it, you don't have to download it. All you've got to do is log in, choose the kind of sales script you want to generate, fill in the blank, and generate. Scriptdio was designed to help to make more sales by producing stunning, jaw-dropping sales scripts for videos and presentations just like the one you are watching right now. And the chances are, since you're still watching this video, you know how powerful these sales scripts are. We'll even give you a framework and all the templates from which the very sales script for the video you're watching right now is generated. Plus, if you own any video creation software already or you want to get one, Scriptdio can be just the app to turn your business around. That is why today I'm incredibly excited to be releasing Scriptdio to the world. You'll get revolutionary Scriptdio software, and on top of that, you'll get done-for-you templates to easily create sales video scripts, upsell video scripts, explainer video scripts, scripts for ads, webinar slides, and if all that was not enough, even call for action scripts. Plus, we will add step-by-step tutorials so you'll never get lost. And last but not least, we'll give you access to our closed-door community of Scriptdio users just like yourself to help you get feedback and get access to like-minded people. And please know that your Scriptdio purchase today includes a commercial license which allows you to create scripts for yourself and sell these scripts to clients and keep 100% of the profits. Scriptdio comes with everything you need to get started with your sales script service, and there are no restrictions. No experience or technical skills are necessary. Simply click on the Get Scriptdio button below and get your access to cloud software that allows you to create striking sales scripts by simply filling in the blanks. All right, I mentioned a case study earlier, and now I want to break it down for you. Sales are the lifeblood of every business, so businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs all need to have an effective sales script to sell their products and services. Included Scriptdio commercial license can help you cash in on the fact that most businesses don't even have an in-house professional copywriter and instead hire freelancers and pay for their services. For example, Fiverr freelancer named GW Ghostwriter charges his clients $500 for a single premium gig, which is up to 1,000-word sales copy, and he already has more than 1,400 reviews. Upwork's freelancer, Danny M, charges $500 per hour for copywriting consulting. Till now, he already has earned more than $200,000 from 124 jobs. Here are a few other freelancers selling similar services. Wendy C, who charges $125 per hour and already has collected more than $60,000 for her work. Or Anthony Y, who asks for $197 per hour and already has made more than $5,000 for the first 7 jobs worked. Or Chris R, whose rate is $195 per hour and has already made more than $100,000 from his copywriting. There are many more people on Fiverr and Upwork selling similar services with the track records reported. All right, with the economy crumbling and businesses moving online at the fastest pace ever, businesses are so badly struggling due to a poor economy that they do whatever it takes to get the customers. So imagine that you not only can help other businesses to thrive, but you can also charge hefty dollars for doing it. It's a win-win-win deal for you, for small businesses that you help, and for the economy overall. Scriptdio is your cutting-edge tool to enable you, for the very first time ever, to create a sales script without any prior experience and stand out from the other freelancers. And it means that Scriptdio might be just that foot in the door tool that you need for businesses to choose you and continue to choose you instead of your competition. The best part of it all is that with a sales scripts business, you have the freedom to work from home or from wherever you want. And the internet, hey, you know, always open for business, so you can work when you want and with whom you want. All the details are below. Simply click on the Get Scriptdio button below to get instant access and skyrocket your results. And of course, you're fully protected by our no questions asked 30-day promise. We are so extremely confident that you'll love Scriptdio that we'll let you take it for a full 30-day test drive. And if you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, just contact us and we'll be more than happy to give you every penny back. But we already know you're going to absolutely love Scriptdio. Go ahead, the button is right below the video. Grab your copy today. We're really looking forward to seeing sales scripts that you create for yourself or deliver to your clients. And lucky for you, Scriptdio is going to give you the unfair advantage over your competition. Hey, grab your copy of Scriptdio today and we will see you on the other side.